to enable call screening on iPhone. So if you want to enable call screening on your iPhone, and if you want to block spam or unknown callers on your iPhone without missing important calls, then this video is for you. Apple's new call screening feature in iOS 26 can help, and here's how to enable it. First, you need to make sure that your iPhone is up to date. Make sure that you have the iOS 26 update. Once you've confirmed that, open up your settings app and then scroll down and tap on phone. Scroll all the way down and you will find apps right here. You need to tap on apps and then scroll down and you will find phone. Once you find phone, tap on phone. Make sure that you have given access to all the calling related settings. Now scroll down again until you see the calls from unknown numbers. Under that, you need to tap the new screen incoming calls option and switch it on. When this is enabled, your iPhone will automatically answer calls from numbers not in your contacts. It will ask who's calling and why. You can also go with screen unknown callers, and here you can go and select ask reason for calling, which will ask the callers from the unsaved numbers about more information before the iPhone rings. It will ask who's calling and why, and then display their response as a message before your phone even rings. You can read the message and decide if the call is worth answering. It's a clean, automatic way to filter robocalls and save your time. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment. So, thanks for watching.